Urinary tract infection self-test. The UTI kit includes 3 test strips and the instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. It is advised to reduce liquid intake 2 hours prior to taking the test to avoid producing unreliable results. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Remove the test strip from the pouch and with the absorbent tip pointing downward, place it directly in your urine stream until the pads are saturated. Remove the test strip from the urine and dab it on an absorbent material such as paper towel to remove any excess urine. Place the test strip on a clean, even surface with pads facing upwards and start the timer. Read the results for nitrites after 1 minute and the results for leukocytes after 2 minutes. Compare the colour of the test strip pads to the colour card and carefully match each pad to the closest colour to determine your result. Do not read the results after more than 3 minutes. If results are negative but symptoms persist or you yield a positive result, then we advise you to consult your GP.